Hey guys, thanks for joining me and welcome back. So today in this video I'm going to show you how I made this wall sconce. Came out absolutely beautiful, and I used a lot of Dollar Tree items. Came out wonderful, and I thought to myself I'm going to make another one, but the next time I'm going to use more of crystal type products just to see how that comes out. And so I'm going to get started. So I'm going to be using this LED votive candle that's from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using these miniature picture frame. I'm going to use one of those. I'm going to be using 2 of the 5x5 mirrors from the Dollar Tree. I'm also going to be using this glittered cardstock. I'm going to be using the black foam board from the Dollar Tree. And so I'm going to get started. So right now I'm going to hot glue the cardstock to the foam board. Next, I'm going to trim off any excess that's hanging over the foam board. So now I'm going to use the rhinestone bling, and I'm just going to cut it into strips, and I'm going to hot glue it to the sides of the board. Next, I'm going to take off all the plastic and the paper off of the miniature picture frame, and it does have a glass pane in it, which was interesting. So I'm just going to remove the backing off of the picture frame because I don't need that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that to cut out the exact measurements for the glittered cardstock. So now I'm going to take the frame, I'm going to put the glass pane back into the frame. Also, I'm going to put the glittered cardstock on top of it, and I'm just going to hot glue all of that together to hold it into place. Next, I'm going to take these rhinestone gemstone stickers. I picked this up from the Dollar Tree as well, and I'm just going to add it to the border of the mirrors. Now I'm going to glue everything to the board. So I'm going to take the miniature picture frame and sort of place it in the center because that's where I think I want the LED votive light to be. So I'm going to just hot glue that into the center of the board, and I'm just going to make sure it's straight, and I'm going to hold it into place. And so now I'm going to hot glue the mirrors down to the board as well. Next, I'm going to flip the board over and then hot glue the mirrors to the board. I'm just adding that extra glue just to keep the mirrors down and into place. So as you can see, there's a little bit of space. I'm just going to let the hot glue just drizzle down there, and I'm going to hold the foam board down against the mirror. So now it's set. Next, I'm going to take that little piece of paper that keeps the LED light from coming on during shipping. I'm going to take that out. So next I'm going to put a little bit of glue onto that votive, and I'm going to hot glue it to my picture frame. And guys, that's it. It was very quick and easy, and it came out really nice. I absolutely loved the way this looked. I wanted to create a product using as many Dollar Tree items as I could. I absolutely loved the way this came out. And again, like I said, I'm going to try this again, but this time I'm going to use some crystal and see how that comes out. So guys, let me know what you think. And thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Take care of yourselves, guys. God bless, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.